Oh. Sobrang hinog na siya. Yan. One of this. This is a Weetabix, guys. So this is my dinner, guys. I have here a seaweed. I have rice, salmon, and some vegetable, cucumber here. Mag-sushi tayo ngayong gabi dahil nakabili ako ng roasted seaweed. Yes, we order roasted seaweed, guys. Binigyan nila kami ng 5. Then, meron tayo ditong wasabi sauce. And of course, extra rice for mommy. And hot tea for the summer. Meron din tayo dessert. Ang dessert natin is ang cassava cake na nagawa natin kahapon. If you want to check kung ano yung description ng ating cassava cake, guys, just go ahead, check my video for sweet and sour cassava cake by Jennifer. Yan. Let's dig in. All you have to do is to mix your sauce. Oh, why I have the chili sauce? I forgot that. I have the wasabi. I just use my soy sauce. Mix. For my dinner tonight, ang akin ay sushi with salmon sa aking filling. Yan, smoked salmon sa akin, guys, at iba sa mga bata. Sa kay daddy naman, iba sa kanya, sirloin steak with boiled asparagus. We can eat the cracker with our salmon, guys. So, we have to dig in. So, this is how it looks like. Snacks, seaweed snacks, and this is lightly salted. I like the really salted, guys. And all you have to do is to wrap your, but be sure you wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands. Wrap your rice. Have your salmon. Dig it to your wasabi and soy sauce. Put it on top. Wrap it like you eat a fresh sushi. I'll just buy the vegetable. Wow. I can eat a lot of rice for this. So if you like to eat cracker with your salmon, guys, go ahead. We have here cracker. We have a tea. We have an extra rice in case Jennifer loves to eat more. You do need to go to the sushi bar to grab sushi because sushi is expensive. All you have to do is just have your rice, buy a salmon, sliced cucumber or whatever, tomatoes, cucumber, whatever vegetable you have there, and then just wrap it. Dip in your wasabi sauce. We will have a really good sushi for dinner. Wow, so good. Put it in your hands. Add your salmon on top. If your mouth is big enough, then add your cucumber there on top. How about that? Dip in your wasabi. So of course we don't want double dip, guys. Everyone has to have their own wasabi sauce. So this is Unli sushi. What do you mean by Unli, guys? Unlimited sushi. So if you want to eat sushi during this lockdown, order a salmon, smoked salmon, order seaweed, and of course, if you're not Asian, you don't have rice in your house. I have rice. I have 3 bags of rice. Can you believe that? It's lockdown. I need that one. So, if you don't have rice in your house, order rice, sushi, and salmon, and you're good. And don't forget the wasabi, of course. I think we have soy sauce all the time. So wasabi with soy sauce, together with the soy sauce, wasabi plus soy sauce equals sushi dip. So yum. For my kids, gusto nila ang crab meat. So ito siya, imitation na crab meat. All you have to do is fry it until brownish, something like that. And just little bit of oil, guys. If merong oil na iwan, all you have to do is mag-fry ka ng egg. Diyan mo na lang i-fry ang egg sa nilutuan mo ng crab meat. Sa sushi, masarap ang scrambled eggs. Ito si scrambled eggs, guys, nilagyan ko siya ng 2 tablespoons of milk para hindi siya yung very dry, di ba? And then, masarap din dito si carrots, pero wala na akong time. If magluto kayo ng carrots, guys, strip mo na lang siya ng manipis and then i-fry mo siya, season with garlic salt. Ito ang gusto nila sa sushi nila. Since meron kaming smoked salmon, meron din kaming imitation na crab. Ayan, nagluto na lang ako plus egg. Kompleto na ang sushi namin. So, ito sa mga bata, fry ko na lang itong crab meat. And you have to cut it. Ayan, yung bite size lang din. You cut it into bite size. Ito ang ating sushi ngayon. May salmon din ang mga bata. Hindi ko naubos yun dahil late na silang nagising. Naligo pa yung isa. So, ayan. With salmon din. Yan ang request ng anak ko na meron siyang egg at meron siyang crab meat. So, ayan si crab meat, guys. We order the at Kroger. So, be sure na may vegetable tayo para kakain din yung mga anak natin. And itong healthy eggs. We have protein. And we have seaweed. So, siya ang pinaka-importante seaweeds. And of course, hindi magiging sushi yan if wala ang ating rice. So, it has to be with rice, salmon, or rice, salmon, and roasted seaweed. Ayan siya ang pinaka-importante, sushi na. Itong iba, mga optional na lang yan. If you want with eggs, then go ahead with eggs, with cucumber, and ito siyang imitation, crab imitation. If you have avocado, well, of course, avocado is good for sushi. California roll, ayan.